Hello, everyone! Today, we practice simple English sentences. Ready? Let's start.
I wake up early every day.
I open the window.
I stretch my body. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I make breakfast.
I brush my teeth. I check my phone.
I fold my clothes.
I drink tea. I buy some food. I eat bread and eggs. I comb my hair. I leave the house. I go to work. I choose my clothes.
I talk to my friend.
I read a book. I pack my bag. I go to the office. I wait for the bus. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple English lessons every day.